It's the afternoon of July 28. I guess you could say this is part 2. I have gone ahead and graded, removed the material that's up against the walkway, and since it looks pretty good, meaning there's no rock, it's got good organic material in it, I've decided maybe I should set it aside so that I can use it. At the same time, I decided to take out just a little bit more material, so I probably have a whole nother box of material. That's a box, that's 9 yards of material that I can get rid of. This is also good material. This came out of the trench for the wall that we are going to, it's the footing for the wall that we're putting in right here. So I'll bet that if you looked at this the same way that I am right here, you would think this is level. I could turn it this way and you would think level, but I believe that that is the slope that level is. This morning I got out with a laser and I thought I'd have a look, and there's at least 1.5 feet. This is at least 1.5 feet taller than over here. But since we have driveways that are 12 to 15% slope right here, it's really challenging for somebody, unless there's a reference, it's really challenging for somebody to see what level is. So this is probably as much as I can take out. This probably looks pretty shiny on film or on video, and the reason it is the Bobcat that I'm using, this is rock, and I'm shearing the rock off with this T76 Bobcat. T stands for track. This thing is pretty much brand new. Well, it was brand new when I got it, and it's not mine, but it does just an incredible job of shaving rock. So it works better than any kind of grader that I know, and an excavator I think might leave a lot of marks. So you can see where we're getting into rock right here. This is rubbly, this is rock, and it's pretty clear right here that we're definitely into rock. So, and it's just chewing it up, but it is fractured sandstone. We're not to the big hard blue or white or black stone that is very challenging to get through. So there's usually a couple feet of that. Now from this side, maybe you can see the grade change, but for the most part, this pretty much defines the trail or the walkway that we're gonna have. And I'm going to have to start really thinking about how high I wanna make this yard and how tall this walkway needs to be, because it looks like we're getting close to about 30 inches somewhere in this area right here. So that means I'll have to have a planter that comes off and around this way. That is it for today. Rubble, good material, and this is our entry. We're not real sure what we're gonna do. If we had water, we'd make it grass.